Hello, welcome to a Map Business Online video presentation. Today we're going to talk about the new feature as of December 2018, which is business listings in Map Business Online. Now the map I've got here is just a basic business map. I've done some color coding of my zip codes in the background, and I've put in these various searches just to show examples of a polygon search. There's a couple of them there. A territory search, a drive time search, so that's like in all directions for 50 minutes, whatever it might be. Creates a polygon for a drive time search, and then a radius search. Now, business listings, it's a paid service, so you do get some business listings up to a credit, depending upon the level of subscription that you've got. You can go to the pricing page on mapbusinessonline.com and see how that transfers to your particular level of subscription. But you will get some sample credits to play with. But your access to business listings is a paid service. So you would pick your business listings, and then you'd pay for those listings by credit card. You'd be able to export those out. That button is the new button on the Map Business Online toolbar that represents the business listings UI. You can also find it by selecting a polygon, and you'll see that same button right there, the second one in, that little book with the binoculars on it. So either one will give you the same option. If I select the one that's by my polygon, or in this case my radius, you'll see that it comes pre-filled with a drawing figure of a circle. So it knows that in the options of how I want to search for business listings, I'm going to use a circle or polygon. Now, if I go up to the top and I just click on the master toolbar, that particular function of circle is not listed here. So I'd have to go in and put that in there myself, and then you'd exit the dialog, put your circle in, come back, and proceed with your business listing analysis. So that's how that works. Now, what I'm going to do is an example here. I'm going to grab the circle. I'm going to click the little icon that represents business listings. And I'm not going to use business name, but I could go in and just simply type in, whatever name of the business is, and it will look for it. And it'll find all of the businesses by that specific name around the nation. I am going to use the industry code. So I have an industry code for gas stations, which I got from looking it up in the NAICS lookup online. And I believe it is 471, let's just double check that. 447190. So I'm going to go back to here, 447190. I could look this up also by geography, by zip code or county. I can add some information here, like if I only want to find gas stations between $500,000 and $1 million in sales per year, I could select that. You can see this is all populating over here. And then I've got some employee information that I might want to put in there, and then the type of location, which could be single location, headquarters, branch, or subsidiary. So all I'm going to do is go with my three configurations here, my three options, and I'm going to look for the count. So I click the count button, it goes out and thinks, and comes back with the magic number 54. Now that means I've got 54 records within this radius. And so the next option would be to click next. The number of business search credits you have is, that's telling me I've got 6,000 credits based on the amount of money I put in. The number of business records selected are 54. The number of credits after plotting that selected record is 5,926. So it gives you a running tally of the credits that you've purchased. And in this case, if I search and plot, it's going to go out and grab those records and plot them on the map. And there they are, those blue dots, and then they come up in my, I'm not going to color code at this point in time, but they come up in my data window view. And so you could then at that point, using the standard tools that you use in Map Business Online, you could color code these dots. You could export them. You can see you can click on the dot and there's information about that particular gas station, and you can open that up a little bit and it gives you the address, the phone number, the sales. In that case, it's $945,000 per year, and the number of employees. So all that information is there, and it's up here in your data in the data window view, which is exportable right here. So go export that out and use it outside of the application. That's how business listings work in Map Business Online. I hope that was helpful. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. Thank you.